Evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, April the 16th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. The Jigsaw Sudoku. This will be number. Let me see, number 8374. 8374. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Here's a single box, there's a single box, always a 1. Alright. Next question, do we have here duo box? It contains the 1 and the 2. I see only one duo box. The 1 is already given, so this box should be a 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I can't see any triple boxes. I see here. The next question, the quadruple boxes. We have here a quadruple box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. Well, those numbers could be everywhere. Cannot fill any numbers here. So, my next strategy now is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do you have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only one. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. We have here 2 missing numbers in this W area shape for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, now, these 3 boxes surround a 5. Can be a 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for 5 in this area should be here, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for 1 in this area should be here. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for 1 in this area should be here. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box can be a 1. That box... Wait. I need to wait here. How about? This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. We have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. The 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Then these 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Then. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, and now. Then, let me think. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 2 there. If I place the 2 here, but this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 there. So not a solution to place the 2 here. So the only place left for the 2 in this area should be here. Alright. Then. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Then let me see. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, but also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. Should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yeah. Definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5. 3 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. That means that we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 2. Because can be 1, should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left in this area. One was 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. Oh, made a mistake. Double 5 here. Should be 3 and a 4. This should be a 4. Then I make a mistake here. Yep, let me start over again. Alright. Let me wait here. Made a mistake here. Should be 3 and a 4. Okay. I think this box should be a 2. Because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can it be a 4 or a 5? We have a double 4 there. Double 5 there. Yeah. Okay. This box, these 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 4 goes there. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. Okay, let me finish here. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, not 3 and the 5. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here, and the 4 goes there. Now these 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. And now, I think this box should be 2, because the green one should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, and now, I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5 is connected with that box. Should be so 1 and 5. But we already have a 1 here. So it can be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Alright. Then, let me see. Well. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me think. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. It means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this quarter box should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or here, then I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. The only place left for the 2 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes here. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2. If I place 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And I need a 3 here. Well, I need a 5 here. These 2 boxes can be 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here or here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 5. But also those 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 4. as a pair, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there, and the final 2 numbers, 4 numbers, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Well. Let me give this a 2 stars. Not 4 stars, not 3 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes. Maybe I talked too much in the beginning. But we solve again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And have a great and fantastic Tuesday. We meet again tomorrow. Yeah, it's Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.